Wow! Magic fruit blender! Let's make juice!
It is a hot, sunny day. Happy Bus is thirsty. Look! The magic blender! Let's make some yummy fruit juice! Ooh! A red apple! It looks sweet and crunchy! Drop!
Mix, mix, mix! Turn into juice!
Wow! Yummy red apple juice! So fresh!
Look! A yellow banana! It is long and curvy! Jump in, banana! Let's blend!
Spin, spin, spin! Round and round!
Yum! Sweet yellow banana smoothie!
Whoa! A big green watermelon! It is heavy! Splash! Into the blender, watermelon. Crush and blend. Look at the pretty color.
Refreshing pink watermelon juice. Perfect!
Go, orange, go!
Mixing the orange.
Yummy orange juice! We made so many colors! Great job! Click the red button to subscribe for more yummy fun. Bye-bye!